In this video, we'll explore the Xeropan curriculum inside the Exercises menu. You'll learn how to view levels, topics, units and lesson types, and how to preview or assign them. We're staying in the Exercises menu. Instead of searching for lessons, click Curriculum Overview right next to the Search Lessons tab. On the left, you'll see the entire curriculum organised by CEFR levels. For English, levels run from A1 to C1, with sublevels such as A1-1 Absolute Beginner and A1-2 Beginner. When you open a level, you'll see the list of topics within that level. Click any topic and the units within that topic appear on the right side of the screen. Each topic usually contains 10 to 15 units, and each unit takes about 30 to 40 minutes for a student to complete. Open a unit to see its individual lessons: vocabulary, pronunciation, video, grammar, and AI conversational speaking practice. You can assign the entire unit or choose individual lessons. To preview a lesson or to project it during class, click Start Lesson. You can also browse lessons by category using the tabs at the top. In vocabulary, you can browse topics, search for specific words or phrases, and assign vocabulary practice to your students. In speaking simulations, lessons are again organised by CEFR level. Open any level to explore available AI-powered conversations. In grammar, you'll find standalone grammar lessons that you can assign whenever students need extra support. You can also save lessons for later. Click the heart icon on any lesson card and it will appear in the Saved Lessons tab for quick access. This is the full structure of the Xeropan curriculum: levels, topics, units, lessons. You can preview, assign, or save anything you need, depending on your lesson plan. When you're ready, continue to the next video in this workshop.